This Philips TurboStar Airfryer isn't just another addition to your kitchen, it's a game changer. It embodies the marriage of innovation and convenience, promising to transform the way you cook and enjoy your favorite foods. This culinary marvel boasts cutting-edge TurboStar technology, setting it apart from the crowd and promising you perfectly homogeneous results every time you cook. This advanced technology isn't just a feature, it's the heart and soul of the Philips TurboStar Airfryer. It's what allows you to prepare meals that are evenly cooked, irresistibly crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside. Imagine savoring golden brown fries, succulent chicken, or flaky pastries, all without the worry of undercooked or overdone spots. Click the link below to see the full product specifications. While cooking perfection is a priority, we understand that time is of the essence in our fast-paced lives. The Philips TurboStar Airfryer saves you precious minutes by eliminating the need for preheating. When you're ready to whip up a quick breakfast before work or prepare a full dinner for the family, this appliance will be your trusted ally, making sure your meals are ready in less time than you ever thought possible. Quick and tasty meals. In today's fast-paced world, we all appreciate saving time in the kitchen. With the Philips TurboStar Airfryer, you can enjoy your favorite meals in less time. The best part, no preheating is required. Simply choose your dish, pop it into the air fryer, and savor your meal faster than ever before. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before work or preparing a dinner feast for the family, this air fryer's efficiency will leave you with more precious time for the things that matter most. Effortless cleaning in 90 seconds. We get it, nobody enjoys spending hours scrubbing pots and pans. The Philips TurboStar Airfryer is designed for your convenience, ensuring easy cleaning in just 90 seconds. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning up greasy messes after frying. The TurboStar technology not only cooks your food evenly but also prevents grease from splattering. The result, a clean and tidy kitchen. With detachable, dishwasher-safe parts, you can enjoy your meal without the dread of post-cooking cleanup. Universal removable handle for convenience. Imagine effortlessly switching between accessories to prepare a wide array of dishes. The Philips TurboStar Airfryer's universal removable handle makes this a breeze. Easily exchange accessories, whether you're frying, baking, grilling, or roasting. You'll have the power to diversify your meals without the need for multiple kitchen appliances. In conclusion, the Philips TurboStar Technology Airfryer is more than just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary magician. It ensures your food is cooked to perfection with its innovative TurboStar technology, offering the ultimate taste and texture. Say goodbye to lengthy preheating with the no preheat feature and enjoy quick, delicious meals whenever you desire. Cleanup is a breeze and the universal removable handle grants you the flexibility to experiment with various dishes. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and enjoy flavorful, healthy meals with ease, the Philips TurboStar Airfryer is your ideal kitchen companion. Don't miss the opportunity to make your culinary dreams a reality. Click the link below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.